Hey friends, if you wish to automatically refresh your browser page in Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So there's no such feature in Chrome. Here's the right way to do it. You will have to download an extension. So open Chrome, go to your profile, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, visit Chrome Store, and simply search for auto refresh and hit enter. Now you can pick any of these auto refresh extensions, but pick up some of these extensions with a good review. I'll pick the second one. Click on add to Chrome and then select add extensions. Okay, now auto refresh has been enabled. You can choose the interval, and you can choose a random interval, and you can also choose if you want a hard refresh. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.